Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about calculating mean and standard deviation using a scientific calculator. Compared to the traditional method of calculating mean and standard deviation, this is a very shortcut method. For calculating this, I have taken literacy rates of 5 states A, B, C, D and E, and I have previously calculated mean and standard deviation as 71.59 and 17.40 respectively. So let's find out how have I calculated this standard deviation and mean using that shortcut method. So let's on the calculator and click mode. So there are three options and we are going to choose the second option, that is SD or standard deviation. So let's click on the number 2. Okay, so now directly going to the literacy rates, we can click here 53.26. Then we'll have to click here M plus. So it shows n equals 1 because we have added only the literacy rate of state A, so it shows n equals 1. Next it is 86.38, so it is 6.38 M plus. So we don't have to click any other button except M plus. So adding literacy rates of two states, it shows n equals 2. Then let's go to the third state, that is 91.21. 91.21. Then we can go to M plus. Now it shows n equals 3. Then we'll have to go to 48.63. 48.63 M plus. Then we can go to the last data, that is 78.47 M plus. So we have taken 5 states and it shows n equals 5. Now we'll have to click shift 2. So now we are getting 3 options again. The number 1 option shows X bar, which means mean, and the next option is standard deviation. So for calculating mean, we are taking the first option, that is number 1. So here we can click number 1, and the next we'll have to click is equals, which shows 71.59, and we have previously calculated mean as 71.59, which is matching the answer we have found out just now. Okay, then we'll have to click shift 2. We'll have to click shift 2 again, and we will find here the number 2 option. We'll have to choose the number 2 option, that is standard deviation. So after clicking number 2, we'll have to click equal option. Now we are getting standard deviation as 17.402, which is similar to the standard deviation I have calculated previously. So this is how the mean and standard deviation can be found out in a very short span of time. But the thing is, if you will closely observe the calculator, you will see there is SD. Even after calculating this button, you will see there is SD, which means the data you have loaded to the calculator is still there, and you will have to clear or reset all those data. And the question is how to do it. So it is very simple. You will have to click shift mode. Then you will again find 3 options. Now you'll have to click 3 because we are going to reset all the data we have calculated just now. So now we'll have to click on number 3, and here is the option. You'll be able to see the reset all option. Now we are going to click equal. So it shows reset all. So the calculator has now reset all the data we have loaded previously. So the calculator is now ready for further calculations. That's all for today. Thank you.